how to use conjunctions in a sentence. So in English, we have either a dependent or independent clause plus a conjunction plus another dependent or independent clause. Okay, so I am and you are. It basically glues this side of the sentence with this side of the sentence. I am cold, but I have a coat. Okay, so again, it connects or glues this side with this side. He studies or he doesn't learn anything. Okay, so in Italian, we have the exact same thing. So io sono e tu sei. Okay, we use it in the exact same way. Io ho freddo, ma io ho un cappotto. And lui studia oppure lui non impara niente. Okay, you could also have used o in this case. Okay, excellent. So pretty simple, right?